In Mirra, open Shops, click Add Shop, and choose Shopify. Then click Open Dev Dashboard. Shopify opens in another tab in the same browser window.
Now open the Shopify Dev Dashboard. Under Apps, click Create App. Then start from Dev Dashboard.
Give the app a clear name and click Create. Open Versions and create a version. Paste Mirra's app URL, https://www.themirra.com/shopify/app. For scopes, add Write Products, Read Publications, and Write Publications. These let Mirra create products and publish them to a sales channel. Click Release to save that configuration. Return to the app overview and click Install App. Choose your dev store, then click Install. Open Settings and copy the client ID and client secret. Back in Mirra, this dev store is already saved, so I open it and click Reconnect. For a new store, use the Add Shop panel from the start. Paste the client ID and client secret, then connect. Once Mirra confirms the connection, return to Shops. The store is active. Setup incomplete only means its sizes, prices, vendor, and product type still need to be added.